रणबीर कपूर की फिल्म रॉय का फर्स्ट मोशन पोस्टर आउट हो चुका है और पोस्टर के आते ही कंपैरिजन शुरू हो गए हैं क्योंकि रणबीर पोर्शन इज रिसेंबलिंग आमिर खान इन धूम. Ranbir has his back towards the camera with a hat on and looks on towards the city skyline. The same motion poster was released by YRF for Dhoom 3. Zoom exclusive. After giving commitment to Delhi event organizers, Arjun and Sonakshi didn't turn up for the event as a high alert was declared in Delhi after the attacks in Peshawar, Pakistan. दरअसल अर्जुन सोनाक्षी already Delhi में थे for a function. But जैसे ही high alert जारी किया गया, the actors chose to skip the event जिसकी वजह से organizers को huge loss सफर करना पड़ा. अनुपम खेर कल आए एक बुक लॉन्च इवेंट पर. The name of the book is Once Upon a Star, जिसके बारे में हमने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि reportedly this book is inspired from Arjun Kapoor's mother, late Mona Kapoor's real life. और ये भी बताया था कि either काजोल और अनुपम खेर will come for the launch. और अब इस बुक को अनवील अनुपम खेर ने फाइनली किया है. आमिर खान के घर कल रखी गई थी एक छोटी सी डिनर बैश, जहां हमने कैप्चर किया अयान मुखर्जी और सिद्धार्थ रॉय कपूर को. और यहां सिद्धार्थ ने पीके के बारे में अब तक आए रिस्पांस के बारे में बात की.
Really awesome response, so fingers crossed.
What best compliment you got it from anyone else?
I think Sachin said that it was the best film that he's ever seen. Not just Amir's best film, but the best movie he's ever seen. So that, of course, coming from Sachin Tendulkar is a huge compliment.
अपकमिंग फिल्म अगली के स्मोकिंग सीन्स को लेकर अनुराग कश्यप लीगल बैटल हार गए हैं. दरअसल अनुराग कश्यप had problems with ads on tobacco which are projected before the movie starts and also during intervals. और इसके चलते the filmmaker was fighting a legal battle, जिसके कंक्लूजन में अनुराग कश्यप ने ये बैटल लूज कर दी है. करण जौहर ने कंडक्ट किया एक ज्वेलरी स्टाइलिंग मास्टर क्लास विद स्पेशल एक्ट्रेसेस निमृत कौर एंड इलियाना डिक्रूज, जहां करण ने हमसे इस वेंचर के बारे में बात की.
I think aesthetics have always been a large part of, I would say, my USP or my contribution to even cinema. So when I came out with the women's line, I thought this was the next step, definitely. So when the team of Gaina, when both Kiran and Sunil came to me with the idea of associating with the brand, I was vastly excited because I believe that jewelry was the next step in this zone. I've always been very inclined to aesthetics, to fashion, and I think jewelry is the final adornment of a garment. And so it was the next step to take, and I'm really glad that I worked with the team.
Arjun Kapoor lashed out at an airlines company on his social networking site. The actor was miffed with the poor services provided by this airlines company and also criticized the plan by the airlines company to put the blame on Arjun and his team. और इस इशू को अर्जुन ने अपने ट्विटर अकाउंट पर शेयर किया. आमिर खान ने अपने क्लोज फ्रेंड्स के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज की पीके की स्पेशल स्क्रीनिंग, जहां सचिन तेंदुलकर आए थे विद हिज वाइफ अंजलि और यहां पॉलिटिशियन राज ठाकरे भी मौजूद थे विद हिज किड्स. वहीं बॉलीवुड सेलेब्स में से वी कैप्चर्ड अनुष्का शर्मा, अयान मुखर्जी, राजू हिरानी, किरण राव एंड मेनी अदर्स. वैसे यहाँ आए सेलेब्स ने तो आमिर की फिल्म को प्रेज किया, पर अब फिल्म के रिलीज के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि फिल्म वाकई अच्छी है या नहीं. Zoom exclusive. रणबीर के इंसिस्टेंस पर मीडिया को एक इवेंट के लिए बुलाया नहीं गया. Recently there was a unique football event held in Mumbai this weekend. And to kickstart the event, there was a celebrity football match that was organized with B-Town celebs and few international football players. Of course, because this was the first time such an event was happening in the city, the organizers wanted publicity. Abhishek Bachchan, Aditya Roy Kapoor and others agreed to inviting the media. Ranbir said a no to invite the media. सलमान खान और उनके लिंकअप की खबरें खत्म ही नहीं होती और अब सोर्सेस की माने तो सलमान खान is reportedly dating Yulia Bento. But the story doesn't end here because the superstar has been acknowledging Yulia as more than a girlfriend in his close family and friend circle. But Salman is yet to commit to her as he still has his pending court cases, and knowing his past records with the girls, he doesn't want to rush into it. Salman doesn't want to make anything public this time and then go back to square one. That's why he refuses to talk about her in public. But if sources are to be believed, Salman is quite committed to his relationship with Yulia Bento.